Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Trust Wallet secret phrase. This phrase, often called a seed phrase, is absolutely critical for accessing your digital assets. It acts as your master key, granting full control over your funds. Understanding its importance is the first step to safeguarding your cryptocurrency. Without it, regaining access to your wallet is impossible, so let's ensure you know how to handle it. Before attempting recovery, it is crucial to understand the prerequisites. The most vital item you need is your original 12-word secret phrase. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial platform, meaning they do not hold your keys or phrase. Therefore, if you do not have this exact phrase, recovery cannot proceed. Always use the official application to avoid security risks. Now, let's walk through the recovery process. First, open your Trust Wallet application and select the option I already have a wallet. Next, choose secret phrase as your recovery method. For most users, selecting multi-coin wallet is recommended. Then, accurately type your 12-word secret phrase, ensuring correct spelling and order. Finally, tap Restore Wallet to regain access to your funds. After successfully recovering your wallet, securing your secret phrase is paramount. Always write down your 12-word phrase on paper and store it in a safe, physical location, like a fireproof safe. Consider making 2 or 3 copies and keeping them in separate, secure spots. Never, under any circumstances, store your secret phrase digitally or share it with anyone, as this compromises your entire wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.